everybody. This is Dr. Milligan. I'm back with you for the week of September the 9th for this week's recording for TCH028 Digital Arts. Hope you enjoyed the little video I made. I had fun making it. It was fun looking at all the drawings. So let's take a look at what your week's going to look like for the week of September the 9th. Again, I always just like to look at my plan, and I like to look at the monthly view. So this week of September 9th, you can see what your assignments are. You'll also see that there is an option for an extra credit quiz. Now, in order to get this extra credit, you have to know what the password is for this quiz. And I'll tell you this at the end of the video. So it's 5 extra points. It's very easy to get these extra points. So if you feel like you need those or you're struggling a little bit with the class, you may want to take advantage of that. So let's take a look at what is happening on the week of September 9th. And you guys, please forgive me, I'm a little bit congested today. All right, so this week we're going to actually be starting your art project, and we're talking about lines. And if you recall from the video that you just looked at, the line is just the beginning point of any art project, right? Now, so your lessons, I'm not going to go over those. You guys can do those, except I will say you do want to spend some time practicing using Inkscape. Okay? So each of your lessons, they may take you a little while. These lessons are a little bit longer than what you're used to. So here they actually, your lessons show you how to draw the lines, the line qualities, calligraphy. They also talk about an artist in here. You might want to pay close attention to that. That's kind of a fun thing. Now you'll notice here, you probably don't see this because this is just on my screen. Here is your extra credit video quiz. I have it set at draft. By the time you get this, it will be set at public, so you guys can go ahead and take that quiz. So let's look at lesson 2, drawing and editing lines. Now, the lessons ask you to open up Inkscape and to actually do what they tell you to do. So you'll actually get some practice drawing in Inkscape, and make sure that you do these. Because to me, Inkscape takes a little practice. You might be great with it, you might just take to it with no problem, but I really recommend that you do take the time to practice. Lesson 3, okay, 3.03, guys, for me was a tricky lesson. These are called Bezier curves. And to me, the Bezier tool is not all that easy to use. You might think so, hey, you may love it, but for me, it was not that easy to learn to use. So you may want to take some time, spend some extra time on this lesson to practice making those curves, because you'll need this skill further on in the class, okay? So I also put a video on our recordings tab that actually is about a 4-minute video that gives you a little bit more information and shows you how to use the Bezier curve tool, which to me, like I said, was not all that easy to do, but maybe you will think it will. Okay, and then lesson 4, 3.04, just talks about line styles, and you guys can do that. And actually lesson 3.05 is when you'll actually start the art project. So please carefully go over this lesson, because you're going to be doing a still life and they're going to tell you what to draw. So your project will not be just any kind of still life you want to draw. They're telling you specifically what they want you to draw. So make sure that you follow these instructions. Now, let me see if I can find a copy of the art project. It says here in the lesson, start the art project. You'll start the art project that you'll work on throughout the course. Okay, you'll work on it throughout the course. So here's what you're actually going to be doing. It says in this course, you'll create a still life scene with a wine glass, a decanter, and a bowl of fruit. As you learn about each element of art, you'll then use that element in your still life drawing. Since you learned about lines in this section, you'll use lines to draw a wine glass and a decanter next. So let me tell you what I learned about this project. The wine glass is pretty easy to draw. It's pretty easy because really it's just straight lines. You can draw, a triangle and then the stem, but the lesson actually shows you how to do it. Okay, so keep going and the lesson will show you how to draw the wine glass. The decanter, you guys, might give you some trouble because it actually uses those Bezier curves. It gave me some trouble. So if you are not comfortable just yet using the Bezier curve tool, draw a square decanter. And what you can do is you can look online and find a line drawing of a square decanter and you can just copy that. Okay, as long as it's some kind of a decanter and I can tell sort of what it is, it doesn't have to be exactly like the one in the picture. So that is pretty much your week for September 9th. Now, your password for the extra credit quiz is LINES, L-I-N-E-S, LINES. No capitals, all lowercase, LINES. So I hope you enjoy your lessons this week. I had fun doing them. I hope you have fun. You can kind of get lost in them, and you've been working on how to make a Bezier curve for 30 minutes, and then the next thing you know, it's been an hour. So I hope you have fun with this. Please don't stress over it. Do your best. I am not really all that concerned with, I hate to say quality, because we all have different talents, right? So just do your best with this, have fun with it, don't stress. And this will be the project you're going to work on for the rest of the semester. So as you learn, you can make improvements as you go along. Anyway, have a wonderful week. If you need me, come and see me at my office hours. They are posted at the beginning of the video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.